Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat is a small peninsula on the French Riviera, nestled between Nice and Monaco. Often called the Pearl of the Côte d'Azur, it's famous for its turquoise water, scenic coastal trails, and elegant villas once owned by royals and celebrities. Today it offers a perfect mix of family-friendly beaches, Mediterranean charm, and a rich history, all within walking distance. Whether you're here to relax on quiet coves, stroll through lush gardens, or simply enjoy the harbor's laid-back atmosphere, Cap Ferrat feels like a world apart. Peaceful, beautiful, and unforgettable. On this beautiful day, we started our journey in S village, exploring the medieval streets early in the morning to avoid the crowds. After the climb and narrow alleys, we wanted something more relaxing. That's why we chose Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, a perfect balance of beaches, nature, and history. From S-sur-Mer, we hopped on the bus number 83, then number 15.
We're gonna switch for the bus number 15. Stop. Not yet. Yeah.
The ride took us about 30 to 35 minutes. Public transportation here is really efficient, and sometimes traveling without car feels easier. Just freedom, a backpack, and adventure. Our first stop was Port of Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat. The harbor is filled with elegant yachts, charming boutiques, and family-friendly restaurants. A great place to grab an ice cream or coffee before heading off to explore. Just around the corner we passed Casino Grocery, a handy little spot to stock up on snacks and water before a beach day.
Madame. Hey, madame.
We also passed the Saint-Jean-Baptiste Church, a beautiful 19th century building in the heart of the village, with colorful stained glass and a calm atmosphere.
Hey, regarde la queue. C'est la queue de...
On our walk, we spotted Blanc Baleine, a local landmark worth knowing if you plan to explore the area more deeply.
Ah, c'est chaud, hein? It's hot, huh? Guys.
A bit further we came across the statue of Sir Winston Churchill. He, just one of many famous visitors who fell in love with Cap Ferrat. Others include Charlie Chaplin, Elizabeth Taylor, and even royalty. We strolled along Avenue Jean Marmos, a picturesque street lined with trees, Mediterranean houses, and before reaching La Pointue du Cap, a peaceful viewpoint where you can pause and enjoy the sea breeze.
Look at this mini car. It's nice. It's for kids, no? Alex, I found the perfect car for you. Look at this. Yeah, for your brother.
Then, as we followed the trail, we discovered Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, a popular event spot where the town hosts music festivals in the summer. But our highlight was definitely Plage Paloma. This beach is stunning, especially in the morning, when the light hits turquoise water. It's a pebbled beach, so bring water shoes, but the beauty is worth it. Here we had an unexpected adventure. Steven had a little jellyfish encounter, which quickly turned into a family game of jellyfish spotting and nature discovery.
Just bitten by meduse. This one, I think, and you catch it.
Can I see?
It's its heart a little bit.
Yeah.
In the beginning, right?
But to be honest, it doesn't hurt
It's fine.
that lot.
So be careful, you see? A little meduse.
The boys started building stone towers, trying to trap tiny fish, and even organized a mini soccer match on the pebbles. Despite the stinks, it became one of the day's best memories.
Stefan, did you like this beach?
Yes and no.
Why? Explain.
It's really beautiful and cool because you can see through the water. And also, there's a lot of medusas.
No, jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Right. Yeah, a little bit, but you enjoy it. You was like a hunter. You hunted jellyfish, right?
Yeah, but I wanted to like the beach. This is Sesame.
Run, baby, run. Faster, faster. Alex, what are you doing? You find some rocks?
I'm doing for I sell rock and I have some money.
Oh, wow. You're gonna teach me.
I am doing some rocks.
Afterwards, we took Avenue Claude Vignon, an easy 8 to 10 minutes walk. On the way, we spotted NiceCar Concept, fun mini cars for touring the Riviera.
Oh, wow. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Tu peux aller dans l'eau avec ça? C'est pour aller dans l'eau? Ah, wow.
Des plongées sous-marines.
Oh, nice. Donc tu commences ici, après tu descends dans l'eau. Ah, wow. Bonjour, bonjour. Oh, nice. C'est tout âge, c'est ça? C'est limité? Il y a limite d'âge? Il y a limite d'âge? Ah, non, mais je veux dire avec les parents. Ah, ok. It's moving?
Definitely something to try next time.
Est-ce que c'est bon, Alex? Is it good? It's like in Rome, Nazoni?
It's a little bit better than Italian.
Okay, can you drink? So this is Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat. So we just been at Paloma Beach. That's here. So this one is right down here. It's a small one. But now we're gonna go on this one. This is one of the best here. Yes, it was recommended. And we walked around here in port. So we're gonna leave for Nice like this.
Nice is here.
Yeah, and you have a lot of things to visit here, but we don't have time today. No, we were the other side. Yeah, this is a small one. It's nice too. You see the rocks? Okay, let's go.
Oh, on va faire le Côte.
Non. Non, on n'habite pas ici pour l'instant. We're not living for now here, so it's not our code. But maybe one day you're gonna buy something here. Why not? Look at this house. It's beautiful. Look at the streets. Flowers. l'avais pas vu, excuse-moi.
The peninsula is only about 4 kilometers long, yet it boasts some of the most expensive real estate in France, and you can walk from one end to another along scenic coastal paths with breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. Though famous for luxury villas, Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat has several tiny secluded coves that can only be reached by foot or boat. Some are so small that only a few people can fit at a time, perfect for a secret swim or snorkeling adventure.
Ça, c'est notre plage.
After a short walk from the village, we reached Plage de la Fosse, or Les Fosses Beach.
Alex, you forgot something. It's yours?
No.
It's your slippers? No?
Oh, look, it's your slippers.
No? We can take them, no?
This beach is a real gem of Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, long and narrow, tucked into a natural cove that once served a quarry. Today, it's one of the most peaceful places to spend time by the sea. The atmosphere here is completely different from the busier Paloma Beach. Instead of the glitz and crowds, you get calm waters, gentle waves, and that authentic local feel. Many families and residents prefer it because it's quiet, easy to access, and still has everything you need for a comfortable afternoon. The beach itself is made of pebbles, so it's always a good idea to bring water shoes. Step into the water and you'll see the clear turquoise sea the Riviera is famous for. The gentle slope into the sea makes it a safe spot for kids to splash around along the rocks, and there's plenty of sea life to discover. Snorkeling here is simple but exciting. Small fish dart in and out of the rocks, giving the kids their own little underwater adventure. What really makes Plage de la Fosse special is the scenery. Behind you, tall cliffs rise with Mediterranean vegetation, while in front the endless sea stretches out, shifting colors with the sunlight. It feels like being wrapped in nature, away from the rush. The coastal path known as the Sentier du Littoral runs just alongside the beach, so it's also a perfect stop if you're combining a seaside walk with some swimming breaks. For family, this beach ticks all the boxes: safe swimming, space to play, calm atmosphere, and those postcard views. We spend our time letting the kids build pebble towers, chase fish with their masks and snorkels, and just enjoy being in the moment.
Hey! Hey, mais qu'est-ce que t'as fait? T'as attrapé. Attends.
For us parents, it was a chance to slow down, relax, and appreciate how lucky we were to find such a spot. If you visit, try coming in the late afternoon. The sun is softer, the beach empties out, and it feels almost private. Watching the light dance on the water at that time of day is a perfect way to close out an adventure in Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat. By evening, we returned to the port, but of course we had a classic travel mishap. Our phone battery died and our mobile data expired at the same time. After a laugh and some improvisation, we managed to catch the direct number 15 bus back to Nice. The kids were exhausted, but their smiles said it all. A day full of fun, discoveries, and little adventures. Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat is more than just beaches. It's history, nature, and family moments all wrapped into one. Next time, we'll explore the coastal trail Sentier du Littoral, swim at La Plage des Passables, and visit the magical Villa Efroussi de Rothschild and its gardens. Until then, this little corner of the French Riviera gave us a day we'll never forget.